Application Decommissioning 101, what it is and why your IT department should care. To use a metaphor, in the Navy, ships are decommissioned when they're getting old, outdated, and too costly to operate compared to more modern and effective alternatives. The same idea can be applied to old and outdated legacy applications in an IT department. Costly to operate and no longer used for production processing, such applications chew up budget that could be better used for something else. If we could decommission them like aging battleships, we could cut out a huge chunk of the IT maintenance budget. But there's a reason that legacy systems stay in place. Although no longer in regular use, they contain historical data that often must be retained for both business reasons and to meet legal, compliance, and regulatory requirements. Plus, this data may be stored in arcane formats that only the original application can read. The result: when legacy systems are displaced by newer applications or inherited through merger or acquisition, it's easier to leave the old data where it was rather than attempt to convert it. And without a new and innovative approach, it continues to be easier to leave it that way. Why is this a problem? The cost for keeping just one set of applications running can be over $285,000 a month, about $3.5 million per year. And studies show that 50% or more of typical IT application portfolios and 70% of typical IT maintenance budgets are made up of legacy applications. How application decommissioning can help. Application decommissioning is a strategic approach for systematically retiring outdated and costly legacy applications without compromising business needs or compliance requirements. First, it uses a rigorous process to analyze the application portfolio and identify the best candidates for decommissioning. Second, it extracts data from legacy environments and stores it in an accessible but fully compliant central repository. Once data is extracted and the new system validated, the data is safe and the legacy system can be turned off. Results: simplify your IT infrastructure, save millions in legacy application maintenance costs, make legacy data available for big data analytics, achieve project payback in a matter of months. To learn more, please visit www.flatironsolutions.com/application-decommissioning.